Hey there friends, welcome back. If your Samsung phone wallpaper keeps changing by itself and you're not sure why, this quick guide will help you stop it in just a few seconds. This issue usually happens when dynamic wallpaper services, or automatic background features are turned on. The good news is that fixing it is simple and only takes a moment. Open the Settings menu. This is where you can manage all the main device options and personalization features. Once you are inside Settings, scroll down carefully until you find Wallpaper and Style. Tap on it to open the Wallpaper customization menu. Inside this section, look for Change Wallpapers or a similar wallpaper option depending on your Samsung model. Tap to continue. After that, scroll through the available settings until you see Wallpaper Services. Open this menu to check which wallpaper mode is currently active. If your wallpaper keeps changing automatically, there is a strong chance that dynamic lock screen, rotating wallpapers, or another live wallpaper service is enabled. These features can automatically switch backgrounds without manual changes. To stop this issue, simply select the None option inside Wallpaper Services. Then tap again to confirm your selection. Once disabled, your Samsung phone will stop changing wallpapers automatically and your selected background will stay the same. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick Samsung tips and easy tech fixes. See you in the next one.